heap of good. You got this Golden Eagle in the corner. Hey, Stormy Weather, you got this Golden Eagle 68R receiver in the duck plucking corner. It looks like I'm keyed up or you're keyed up. Good Lord, take care. God bless. Stormy Weather. Boy, you got a storm out there. Stormy Weather, LeadFoot, Pennsylvania. Bye, bye, bye.
LeadFoot, low side, low side, low side, low side, low side. That's it, Greg Dixon Bourbon at 2300 RPMs in the Black Road. A big 3-hot DC car. Plus, still down. When I get off, hey, LeadFoot, when I get off this hammer, listen to my baby's play. There you go.
Boy, it sound like a jet engine. Hey, Stormy Weather, it sounds like a duck plucking jet engine is coming down the runway and pulling into Philadelphia International Airport. Hey, Stormy Weather, it sounds like you're pulling into Philly International right about now when them cotton pickers wind down, ain't no doubt. Hey, take care. God bless, Stormy Weather. Keep up the good work. And we'll bump it on you a little bit later on. Stormy Weather, your LeadFoot in Pennsylvania, Mr. FOOT on this foot-built Golden Eagle. I see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Mr. FOOT on that goddamn Golden Eagle. And the government, Stormy Weather said, it is a pleasure. It was a pleasure. It's a super measure. And it's all on my goddamn head. Numbers to you, big brother. Like them? Stack them any way you like them. But it came from me. Started with a big 3-hot car, the gold got down.
10 rides, Stormy. Hey, Stormy, 10 rides right on, man. Keep up the good work. Boy, because you know you sounded a heap of good up here in Pennsylvania. You sounded a whole heap of good up here in Pennsylvania. I'm going to put this duck plucker in cool down mode. Hey, Stormy Weather, I'm going to put this thing in cool down mode and give me another drink from the cotton picking cold from that ice box. Take care. God bless. Stormy Weather, LeadFoot, Pennsylvania, FOOT. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, LeadFoot, take care. Take care. Pass the numbers around the household from me to mine, from me and mine to you and yours. You rack them, you stack them any way you like them. Now I'm getting ready to climb back up in this high chair in the black gold. I'm watching the playground on the whole Midwest. Hey, LeadFoot, when I get off this hill, listen to my baby's play.
And they playing. Stormy, they're playing. Take care. God bless, big brother. I got to go out and check to see what the snow's looking like outside, man. Hey, Stormy, I got to go check to see what this white stuff's looking like outside, too, man. We're supposed to get 4 to 6 inches tonight, but we'll see what happens. Hey, Stormy, we'll see what happens, man. These weather people don't know what the heck they're talking about most of the time. And, heck, I wish I could be wrong most of the time and still have a job. You know what I mean? But, hey, that's a discussion for another time. Take care. Hey, Stormy Weather, boy, you sounded some kind of good. Keep up the good work in that worldwide DC Mobile. Stormy, yo, LeadFoot, Pennsylvania, 10-7. I'll see you. Bye.
Sure, LeadFoot, I know exactly what you're talking about. Man, because they told me that it's going to be 30 degrees today, boy, they ain't got over 20. But anyway, I got sunshine. But you take care, big brother, and be safe. Be safe. From me and mine to you and yours, Stormy Weather, Mobile clear.
Bye.
How about it, Stormy? Sorry. No get back on the red truck. No get back on the red truck. Nationwide train in the black gold is back on this well. Ball and chain.
I hear you out there, Train, but Ball and Chain talking to Stormy, and Stormy going back to him right now. I don't want to crosstalk, but I want to recognize your radio. Take care. God bless. Train, Foot, Pennsylvania. I'll see you.
Weather. I say your Stormy Weather because I do what you tell me to do. If you call me, I'll get back to you. I'm clear. Red Truck, you take care, man. Enjoy the rest of your day on that end. Mr. Red Truck, nationwide train. Nationwide train in the black gold red truck. I see you. Bye-bye. This is Ron.
Train, take care. Keep up the good work. Train, Foot, FOOT, Pennsylvania on this Golden Eagle. I see you. Bye.
Super Bowl is